In this session, you will see grade 10 students exploring the idea of vectors through the language of learning of physical activity and sports in order to further connect to how vectors are used within the classroom.
What is a vector? Two aspects of vector which are very important. First is magnitude and second is direction. I would like to have a game in which you will be just focusing on the aspect of vector geometry. So first of all the students will be divided into two groups. These two groups will then adjust themselves into rows and columns at a particular distance. The direction from back to front would be defined as vector A. The direction from left to right would be given by vector B. I would call out the names in pairs. What you need to do is you need to just cross each other counting the vectors you are passing by in a particular direction. So for example, when I say Masoom and Rhea, Masoom is going to go in this particular manner. So that is 2B. Then he moves 1 point down. So that is 2B minus A is the resultant vector for Masoom. Resultant vector for Rhea would be minus 2B plus A. The two resultant vectors for two different people at the same time because their paths are different. Now this team, start arranging yourself one by one quickly, right? Okay, that's good. Everyone ready? Yes, sir. Okay. From back towards me is positive A and going this side is positive B. We'll say Samir and Parv.
Plus 6A minus 2B.
Let us see again. Prem and Aman.
Minus 6A.
6A plus
Minus
6A plus B. 6A plus B.
Lovely. So guys, you see that simple topic which we were doing on the board. Did everyone get it? The idea behind the topic? The connection with it? Did you enjoy this? Yes. Do you want more of this? Yes. Thank you very much. Can we move back to our classes?